Papa Ron coming to you from Northern California. Today we're putting a back rack on a 2018 Tacoma that I just purchased. The first thing I like to do is spread the parts out so I can see what I've got. Came with two mounting brackets, T-bolts or T-nuts, bolts to go into them, bolts and nuts to go through the main structure. I've already mounted one of the brackets, so I've only got half of this stuff here on the tailgate. It also came with the main structure. The mounting bracket mounts on the tie-down rail that comes with the truck. So the first thing you need to do is remove the little plastic end. You press in on it and it slides right out. Next, you loosen your tie downs and slide them off. Next, I put the bolts through the holes that line up, which are the bottom holes on the bracket, and just barely started them on the T-bolts. The picture in the instructions showed that you slide the T-bolts on and then put the bolts through the bracket and everything, but I couldn't get them started that way. Now I take the bracket and start the little T-bolts into the track. Just sliding it along, and once you get them all in, you just slide it all the way to the front. Like so. Next, you take a 3/4 inch box end wrench or something else that's 3/4 inch and tighten them up. The brackets are on now, so we're ready to set the main structure up there. I'm going to set a couple towels between the brackets and the window to give it some protection. I'm going to set the main structure in the bracket. Down to where the holes line up. Pull the towels out. Okay. Carriage bolts go through here with a washer and a lock nut. These are also 3/4 inch. And you want to tighten them down. Same on the other side. Okay, you want to be sure to go back and put your tie down back on your slide rail and the little plastic piece. What's a backrack do? It protects the rear window from items hitting it. You can also lean 2x4s or conduit up against the top of it, and you can use it to tie down stuff in the back of your bed. Thank you for watching. Leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy my videos. Thank you.